sa kabuuang 13 million. Ito po ay base sa collection report na sinubitin ng Treasurer Office. With this, I can now consider our tax and revenue collection from effective. We were able to do this without an increase in our taxation. I believe that this remarkable performance ay galing sa tulong ng ating Panginoon Diyos at sa suporta na rin ng ating mahal na mamamayan. It is also worth mentioning that the Civil Registrar's Office and Assessor's Office were able to contribute about 140,000 pesos during the month of July alone. Naniniwala po ako sa lahat ng ating gawain ay kinakailangan ng masusi at mahusay na pagpaplano. As your local chief executive, I will always be guided by realistic and doable plans. I would like to report to this august body and to the people of Santa Barbara that the comprehensive land use plan will be completed finally by the end of this year. The CRDP is considered to be an important and vital document in our dream of economic service in the years to come. Halos 2 milyon po ang hindi pumapasok sa ating taban ng bayan dahil sa kawalan po ng comprehensive land use plan. On September 28 to 30, municipal officials, department heads, and other stakeholders of the municipality conducted strategic planning and workshop. In that workshop, we came up with a short-term plan for the development of our municipality. Doon ay nagkaroon ng direksyon kung saan tayo pupunta para sa ikaunlad ng ating bayan. I would like to share to you the vision and mission of my administration, which is the product of that strategic planning. Our vision is, we envision Santa Barbara to be an agri-industrialized municipality with ecologically balanced environment inhabited and governed by God-loving, healthy, highly competitive, self-reliant, transparent, effective, and committed citizenry. And our mission, we are committed to promote agri-industrial development, provide social and environment protection, and human resource development through appropriate programs and policies. With the help of the Almighty God and with your support, we will be able to realize this with flying colors. Establishment of information services. Halos lahat ng sakay ng gobyerno ay mayroon ng website. Napag-iiwanan na po tayo. I'm glad that finally we have established a website to handle information services not only in our country but to the whole world. This information system will serve as a source of information on investment promotion, job opportunities, locally and globally, basic industrial and agricultural marketing data, and information regarding developments in the municipality of Santa Barbara. Sa pamamagitan po nito ay mag-discovery at makikilala nila ang ating bayan. So the world easy what our municipality has to offer. Observation of civil service rules and regulations. Public service is a public trust. It is the policy of this administration to strictly observe civil service rules and regulation. We re-establish the Personal Selection and Promotion Board para mapili natin ang karapat-dapat na maging empleyado sa ating munisipyo. We will see to it that qualification and skills, getting more insight to their educational qualification. We likewise reorganize the grievance committee as prescribed by the civil service to promote a harmonious relationship among the employees and management in the municipality. We will also implement the Citizens Charter. In fact, in 2011, we will establish a one-stop shop na kung saan ilalagay natin sa isang lugar ang mga opisina na kailangan natin puntahan kung kayo'y magbabayad ng fees, kung kukuha ng business permit, hindi na kayo mahihirapan sa pagpupisyo ng inyong mga dokumento. Implementation of human resource development and programs. Human resource development will play a vital role in the implementation of key development programs and projects. It is the policy of this administration to see to it that officials and employees shall equip with skills and knowledge to undertake their duties and responsibilities efficiently and effectively. I instructed the Human Resource and Development Officer to conduct training needs analysis to determine the needs of our municipal officials and employees in relation to their sworn duties and responsibilities. Promotion of interagency coordination. During the first management meeting of my administration, I encourage every municipal officials and employees to strengthen coordination and cooperation. I believe this will contribute in the efficient and effective delivery of services to our constituents. I wanted to institutionalize this policy not only among the municipal officials and employees, but among the people of Santa Barbara as well. For a start, we conducted team building activity in Baguio City last October 12 and 13. With this, the stakeholders are aware of the importance of unity and cooperation in our agency. The primary health services. Another first directive is the identification of primary health services, because I believe that health is wealth. When people are healthy, we expect them to become active partners and development. When I assume office, it is discouraging to know that the medicinal supplies and the rural health unit is very much insufficient to cater to the less fortunate. The onset of rainy season in July poses a lot of danger to life as goes with disease, such as cold, flu, typhoid fever, or even worse, pneumonia.